When you receive your stove, use a box cutter to safely remove the straps and then remove the contents from inside of the wood stove. Next, we're going to assemble the ash pan housing. This is going to require 6 screws from the hardware packet C. Use a screwdriver or a drill to secure them in place. Make sure you assemble both sides of the ash pan housing. Next, we're going to use the 2 provided screws from the hardware packet C to attach the fresh air intake onto the rear of the ash pan housing. Once the ash pan housing is assembled, gently lean your stove on its back to access the bottom of the stove. Next, take your assembled ash pan housing and the pedestal base to align the holes between the 2 pieces. Make sure that the fresh air intake is facing the rear or open end of the pedestal base. Use the supplied 4 bolts and keep nuts from the hardware packet A and B to secure the ash pan housing to the pedestal extension. Once the ash pan housing and the pedestal extension are secured, grab the pedestal base and use the 4 supplied bolts from hardware packet A and the keep nuts from hardware packet B to secure the extension of the housing to the pedestal base. Once the pedestal base is secure, grab the rear extension plate for the pedestal housing and use the 4 screws from hardware packet C to secure it to the rear of the assembled pedestal. This plate will slide under the fresh air intake you installed earlier. Attach the assembled pedestal base and ash pan housing using the 4 provided keep nuts and washers from hardware packet B and D. Once the pedestal is completely assembled, take the damper guide rod and insert it into the right side of the ash pan housing. It will screw into a threaded weldment inside the stove. Gently lean your stove upright after this step. Next, we're going to take the small cardboard box and remove the flue collar along with the rope gasket and hardware. Take the rope gasket, remove the adhesive strip, and firmly press the gasket into the rim of the bottom of the flue collar. Next, assemble the hardware to the bottom of the flue collar with the tabs oriented on the same side as the rope gasket. This is going to secure the flue collar to the top of the stove. Align the assembled flue collar with the gasket facing down and the bolts lining up with the 3 holes at the top of the wood stove. Secure these bolts in place using a ratchet or a drill. Lastly, we're going to secure the airflow deflector. This deflector takes 3 screws from the hardware packet. Don't forget to install your ash pan and you're all done.